Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to start a group chat on Band. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Band app and then tap on your Band. Now tap on the chat icon on the bottom left corner. Now tap on the plus icon and choose Public Chat Room. Here, tap on the camera icon to set a picture for your group. You can either take a photo or select a photo. After selecting a photo, adjust it and then tap on the tick icon on the top right corner. Now enter your chat room name and description. Once done, tap on the Done button. Now your group chat will appear here. Tap on the group and then tap on the three lines button on the top right corner. You can see various different options relating to your group here. If you need to add members to your group, you should select the Add Members button. And that's it. This was how to start a group chat on Band. If this tutorial helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.